back on the 300. As you can see, I have the compressor back off again. I do need to rotate it in the brackets so we have clearance for our hoses. Just gonna work on that right now. Alright, so I pulled this, flipped the brackets, I put the ports over here on this side, and it made it, there's no way to put the high side on in its configuration currently. The low side would have been fine, except the fitting they send us, this is ridiculous, because you go to put this on, and the only way for this to fit in here correctly is to have the port down. Because if you try to mount it this way, it's going to hit the hinge and all that. So I'm kind of doing some measurements here, and I'm going to take all this stuff over to F&L and have him work his magic. Also, the actual instructions from Classic Auto Air show on a big block having the ports mount to the passenger side, but there's no way. So we're going to need to have our boy put 90s on these. This is gonna suck. I want him to rework this too. All right, over here at F&L, the man's got the goods. He's gonna get us all set up. And I'll be back over here before 4 o'clock to get all the goodies. Yeah, we're gonna switch that to a 90. We're gonna switch that to a 90. It's gonna crimp our ends, and we'll be ready. All right, got ourselves back from F&L Hose. And this is how it's supposed to be mounted on the small block, but that's how we're doing it on the big block, because we had F&L put 90s here where there was 45s. That's all crimped. That's all crimped. Just got to finish some wiring for the thermostat and insulate the expansion valve, and we're ready to charge.